Okay, so right now I'm in my WordPress admin dashboard. So the first thing you're going to do is to add a post, and then I'm going to show you how to add your form onto your website. Now, this is a brand new WordPress install. I just have dummy pages that I'm using for the purpose of this course. So the first thing I want to do is to come over here to post and click on add new. So we're going to give the post a name. Now, it doesn't matter what name we give this post. I'm just going to call this CK post. And then I'm going to come over here in this area and add my text. I'm going to paste my text like that. And for this to really look nice, we need to also add a featured image. So all the way down here to the bottom, I'm going to click on set featured image. And then I'm going to choose an image either from my media library, or I can choose an image which is on my computer. But for the purpose of this example, let me just upload an image from my computer. So I'm going to click select files. And then I'm going to go to my downloads folder because that's where my image is. And the first one here is the one I need. Right, so I'm going to click on set featured image. So now I have my text and also my featured image. So let's publish this and take a look at it. So I'm going to click here on publish, and then I'm going to view the post. Great, so we can see here, this is our main image and this is also our text. And also people can comment here. But the thing is, we want to add our opt-in form on this post. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to come back over here to Convertkit and I'm click on settings, embed. So this is where we have all our options. So the first example I'm going to use is just by using this JavaScript code. So I'm going to copy it, come back onto my post, and then I'm going to click on edit post. Next, I'm going to just find a spot where I can add this form. So I'm going to paste it here, click update. And now let's take a quick look at it. There you go. So as easy as that, I've just embedded my form into my post. So every time people come to my website and they read my blogs, this is where the form is, and they can enter the email address, subscribe, and they'll be added to my list. So what I'm going to do here quickly is I am going to add my email address and pretend that I'm signing up onto the newsletter. Okay, so let me just add my email here like that. Click on subscribe. Okay, so that's the message I was telling you about. Success. Now check your email to confirm your subscription. So let's take a look here and see where that message is. So if I come back, if we come over here to main settings, we see that this is the message that I've just got. It's called Success Now. Check your email and confirm your subscription, which is right here after someone has subscribed. Fantastic. So now that we have all this set, all I have to do now is to go to my email and check and see if I have that message. So let's go ahead and do that and see if this is working correctly. So I'm going to open a new tab and go to Gmail and log into my email. Okay, so right now I'm logged into my email. So I can see here straight away, I have an email which says important to confirm your subscription. So if I come over here, I can then click this button to confirm my subscription. So let's go ahead and do that. And now it tells me that the subscription is confirmed, and that is great. Right, so that means the whole process is working. So if I go back now into Convertkit, I should see that there is someone that has been added onto the list, which is me. So let's go ahead and check it out. So I'm going to come over here to Convertkit, click this main icon, and now we can see that we have one subscriber. Now let's go and see who that is. So I'm going to click here and I can go to subscribers. And now I can see that I have one subscriber here, and this is me. So this is what happens when people subscribe onto your mailing list.